Hello everyone, happy Wednesday and welcome to Ayo's Craft. My name is Ayo and today's tutorial is all about restoring an old bucket bag. Now if you're new to my channel, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And to my old subscribers, I love you guys. Thank you for staying with me. Now this bucket bag is made of faux leather. It's made from faux leather rather, and from the outside and the inside. Now the outside is still very much intact, but in the inside it's not just cracked, but once you touch it, it just becomes like dust. It's falling apart on the inside. Anyway, and so there are two ways normally that I do to, just to still, especially if I like the bag or shoe. First option is to completely peel it. So normally that's what I would do. I would completely just peel it off and use as is. And the second option is to either wrap it up again with some kind of fabric or paint it. Those are the two options I normally do. So but for this tutorial, what I'm going to do, since it's on the inside, I'm simply going to create a lining with Ankara fabric and then use it to line the inside. And so you would see how it goes. So if you want to see it, stay tuned. So for the peeling, you can actually use your hands to peel. It will still peel, but to peel it faster, if you have a soft sandpaper, you can do that, but I'll just use my scissors and peel the edges. Alright, so this is it all peeled out, so you can simply carry the bag as is and continue to rock it till the outer leather becomes faulty. Or what I want to do is actually make a lining for the inside and simply glue it in. So I'm going to need fabric, I'm gonna need scissors, and in some case and the measuring tape. So first thing first, you measure the base. You measure the base and the sides of the bag. Add a couple of inches to sew it in. But first, let me just explain how this particular bag is. So you can see here at the base that this is one part of the bag. The front is another and the back is another. So you're going to cut similar patterns as the bag already is. So with my measuring tape, I'm going to measure. Let me take this out. With my measuring tape, I'm going to measure it from here to here is 8.5, and for sewing allowance I'll just add an extra inch, so I'm going to cut 9.5, and from here to here is about 4.7 I think, or 4.8, and then I'll simply add an inch as well for sewing allowance, half an inch for this side and half an inch for that side. So take note of that measurement because every bag will differ. Now for the side, I'm just gonna do this. This is 13.5. Let me see if that's the same for the top and the bottom. Okay, here's about 13. Let's see what here will give me. Yeah, about 13.5 wide, and so add also 1 inch that way, and here is 9, so add another 1 inch, which is 10. So that means I'm going to cut 3 pieces. Each the measurement I gave, I measured prior. So that leaves me with this for the base. This is the base. I'm just going to curve it in a little. I really don't have to. And this is for the top. Now I said I was going to leave 1 inch for the top, but yeah, I was going to leave 1 inch for the top. You can actually make it, because I might turn the edges of this like this. Okay, so where 1 inch is fine. 1 inch for the top as well. Now I'm going to take this to the sewing machine. I'm gonna run a stitch here, a stitch here, and I'm going to take the base and also stitch it. So you see, my measurements are not correct. My measurement is not correct. This is 14. This is 9, 8. Okay, yeah. Sorry, my bad. My measurement is correct. I totally forgot that it's a square and not anyway, so I'm going to take you to the machine. I think I'll need to mark the center points for here and here, so that the center point would match the edge, and then I'm going to sew it like this, curve it, why I'm using a glue is because I don't want to sew on this leather and possibly damage it, but that is also an option. You can actually sew on the leather, but I'm not going to do that. So I'm just going to glue it in place, and then you have your bag lined. So after I've done that, I'm just going to make little holes in the fabric so that I can pass this through it. So first thing, I'm going to mark the hole. So it's matched now. So with my glue, I'm going to glue it all down. and make sure the holes match while gluing. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. This is a solution. You can simply peel it or line it. So